All right, hey there. Let's move on and talk about substitution here, okay? So, in substitution, what you're trying to do is isolate one of the variables in either one of the equations so that you get something like this, where it says y equals 4x, or y equals y minus 2, or whatever, x equals something, y equals something, so that you can substitute it into the other equation. So instead of y right here, I can put 4x. So let's do that. Put x plus 4x equals 5. So x plus 4x is 5x equals 5. We divide both sides by 5, and we get x is 1. So now I can take this x is 1 and plug it in for x in the first equation. So we would have y equals 4 times 1 instead of x. So y is 4, right? So x is 1, y is 4. So there's our equation, our answers right there, 1, 4. All right, again, on this one, they were nice enough to keep it x equals and then an amount, but this time instead of just 4x or whatever, they give us it's y minus 7. So we need to take that y minus 7 and plug it into x right there. So it's going to be y minus 7 equals, oops, not equals, plus, that's a plus 8y equals 2. So we can add the y and the 8y together to get 9y minus 7 equals 2. All right, I'm going to add 7 to both sides, and we get 9y equals 9. Divide by 9, and y equals 1. So now I know that y is 1, and I can plug it right there. So x equals 1 minus 7, or x equals negative 6. So my ordered pair for this one would be negative 6 and positive 1. Okay, on number 7, we don't have a variable that's by itself. So I need to isolate. And if you look, all of these, like all the x's and this y right here, all have coefficients in front. So we don't really want to try to mess with them because we would have to divide and everything else. So I'm going to try to get this y by itself. And to do that, I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. All right, and that leaves me with a negative y equals minus 3x plus 4. So, or again, the beauty of algebra, I can change the sign of anything as long as I change the sign of everything inside the equation. So I can make that a positive y, that a positive 3x, and that a negative 4. So now I know that y equals 3x minus 4. So I come down to this bottom equation, and wherever there's a y, I'm going to put 3x minus 4. So we still have 2x, and then minus 3 times 3x minus 4 equals a negative 9. All right, so I have to distribute this negative 3, not just 3. I got to take the negative with it. So that gives me 2x minus 9x plus 12 equals negative 9. Okay, if I combine these two things together here, I get a negative 7x. I subtract 12 from both sides. And that should be a negative 9, not 19. So that's a negative 21. Okay, divide by a negative 7, and x is 3. So if I know that x is 3, I can plug it in right there, right? So that means y equals 3 times 3 minus 4, so y is going to be 9 minus 4, which is 5. So my ordered pair then is 3, 5. Sorry, that's really sloppy, but that's what it is. Okay? All right, that's it for this equations.